How to fix hardware problem automatically. Right click Start button, then select Run and type this text. Then click OK. Click Next. Then select Problematic driver. Click Next. Then select Apply this fix. Click Next. Then select Enable. After complete all the process, then restart your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.